Boom! A mountain explodes, fire shoots into the sky, and rivers of molten rock flow down like glowing waterfalls. But how does this happen? What causes a volcano to erupt with so much power? Is it magic, science fiction, or something happening deep beneath your feet right now? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly how volcanoes erupt in the simplest, coolest way possible. And by then, you'll never look at a mountain the same way again. Let's start with the basics. A volcano is not just a mountain. It's more like a geological vent, a hole in the Earth's crust, where molten rock, gas, and ash can escape from beneath the surface. Imagine Earth like a giant boiled egg. The crust is the shell, thin and breakable. The mantle is the egg white, hot and semi-solid. And the core is the yolk, extremely hot and under pressure. Volcanoes usually form at weak spots in the Earth's crust, especially around tectonic plate boundaries, where plates are moving and cracking. Beneath a volcano lies something incredible, a magma chamber. Magma is molten rock, so hot it glows. It contains melted rock, dissolved gases, like water vapor and carbon dioxide, and crystals formed by heat and pressure. Now imagine that magma chamber is like a shaken soda bottle. The more pressure that builds, the more it wants to explode. This pressure comes from the movement of tectonic plates, heat from the Earth's mantle. As magma rises, gas bubbles inside it expand rapidly. Magma that reaches the surface becomes lava. Depending on how thick or runny the magma is, the eruption might gently use lava, like in Hawaii, or violently explode with ash and fire, like Vesuvius. Volcanoes can also shoot out volcanic ash, rocks, toxic gases, and even lightning inside the ash cloud. Did you know not all volcanoes look the same? There are three main types. Shield volcanoes, wide, gentle slopes, lava flows smoothly. Think Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Stratovolcanoes, tall, steep, and very explosive. Think Mount Fuji or Mount Etna. Cinder cone volcanoes, small, steep, and made from ash and rock debris. Each one erupts differently depending on the type of magma inside and the tectonic setting. So now you know. Volcanoes aren't just mountains with a temper. They're natural pressure valves for the planet. Powerful, fiery, and absolutely fascinating. Next time you see one in a movie or photo, you'll understand the crazy forces happening underneath. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit subscribe for more simple science every week.